Hey, what is up guys? Flash Taco here, and today I'm going to be reviewing something I've been wanting to review for a while. It is the HTC Vive Pro.
Alright, I'm going to stop you there, past version of me, and I'm going to address you guys, the audience. Now, originally in this video, I was going to rip this thing a new one. Because at first, I was excited about the HTC Vive Pro. As all of you know, I had an Oculus Rift originally, and I decided to step up my game to an HTC Vive Pro. I wanted the 2.0 trackers and leg tracking, all of that. So I got the whole damn thing. I got it all. But so much crap happened that made me so angry that I started writing the script for this video, and I was all like, I was going to make an angry rant about why you shouldn't buy this hot piece of garbage. But after many hours of troubleshooting and figuring things out, it just magically started working. And I hadn't had an issue in over 3 weeks. It just magically just started working out of the blue. So let's continue with the video.
Yeah. So let's begin. Let's break it down.
Now, at first glance, the headset looks to be very heavy and awkward, but it is actually very comfortable and sits on the head very well. HTC put some time into making it as comfortable as can be, without it being awkwardly heavy. The headset is built very well. My only complaint is the nose guard. After a while of playing, it gets a bit uncomfortable. The Vive Pro also comes with stereo headset speakers that go over your ears and sound great. With the Vive Pro, you get a better resolution of 2880 x 1600, so the screen door effect is minimal. The HTC Vive controllers are great. It does have a little bit of a learning curve if you're coming from the Oculus Rift, because everything's done through the touchpad that is on those controllers. Everything from moving side to side, forward and back, and turning and selecting things is done through those touchpads, along with 2 buttons, one up top and one on the bottom for your menus. It's nice and intuitive. That I do like how they put it all into one little button system right there. It makes it easy to program for and whatnot, and it's great. But it does have a little bit of a learning curve if you're coming from the Oculus Rift over to the HTC, and it's also on the regular HTC One. That controls the same way. But I do like the controller. It's a little big and clunky, but hey, if it works, it works. And also, you don't have to buy external batteries for this controller. You just plug it in and charge it. Same thing with the sensors, the full body tracking for the hip and the legs. You just plug it in and charge it. It is great. It's perfect. One downside to the HTC Vive leg trackers is HTC Vive doesn't pack straps. You have to buy third-party straps to strap them to your legs and your waist, which is kind of a bummer. Now onto the lighthouses. My kit came with the VR 2.0 lighthouses, which isn't the normal kit. This is for enterprise and businesses. The 2.0 trackers have a wider field of view, so they're better at tracking. And 2 works just fine with everything you have. And I have the 2.0 controllers, new, better controllers. And setup is pretty easy with the HTC Vive. You just plug it in and go. Don't forget to make sure the controllers and headsets are all synced and turned on. And then you turn on Steam VR. Sometimes it will work, sometimes it won't. This is where I had a lot of problems. And as you can see, it would just refuse to outright work. It refused to detect the sensors, the headset, the controllers, the trackers. It would not detect them whatsoever. It would be something. It was something random every time. And then sometimes the headset itself the screen would become white and a loud buzzing noise would come out of the headsets. Listen.
Holy Jesus. What is that? What the fuck is that?
I just don't understand why. And like I said at the beginning of the video, after a couple weeks, it just magically started working. All my drivers were up to date. My Windows, everything was up to date. There was no problem with that. I don't know. I believe Steam did have an update at the time. And then after that, everything magically started working. And I do understand that Steam VR is still in beta mode, so that could have been the problem. And maybe they updated something that fixed it that was only affecting a handful of machines. But it worked now. It works now for me. I have no problems now. And it works perfectly. And I have been enjoying my HTC Vive Pro a lot. And now that it's been working fine, I love it. Would I recommend it to somebody else? For you, I don't know. It's $800. That's at the end of the day, you're the one with the money. You're the one with your wallet. You choose what you want to do with your money and your wallet. I can't tell you what to do. I would say I enjoy it. I like it. Is it worth the money for me? Maybe. I haven't had any more. I haven't had mind-blowing experiences, like I said with the Oculus. But it's still wonderful. It has better resolution, better audio, better tracking, and way better tracking than the Oculus. But I do like it. I don't necessarily think it's worth $1,300 or $800, but it's still a good product. At the end of the day, it's up to you because you are the consumer. You're the one who's buying this. You choose. But anyways, I do enjoy the product. I like it, and I say if you want it, go get it. If you don't want to spend the money, don't do it. It's all up to you. Anyways, guys, you have a good one, and stay tuned. There are more videos coming out, and yeah. I don't know how to end videos. I've never been good at that. You all know that.